guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share this gift with you. This is the gift that I got my husband for his birthday this year. And actually last year, he got me this little handbag. Well, it is only little, but not little in price. But he got me this on my birthday last year. So this year I wanted to get him something special, but he wanted me to do the honors and make this video for you. And by the way, if you want to check the review of this handbag, I have another video on my YouTube channel that you're welcome to check out. And please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's unbox this and see how it looks. Okay guys, so first we have this box, but then we also get this little envelope. So let's see what's in it. So this one is a thank you note from Louis Vuitton for shopping with them. It also has my receipt and also my return and exchange, their return and exchange policy. I really like the fact that how classy and elegant and high-end, of course, Louis Vuitton makes you feel. And I want to also let you know that when we placed this order, they literally delivered this their next day without, charging you additional or anything. All right, so now let's open the box. Okay guys, now the moment that you guys have been waiting for, the unboxing right here. Oh man, I don't even want to unbox this just because it looks so pretty. Okay, I'm not really sure what this is. This is another little card, which is empty. So I think it was just there. Oh, maybe if you wanted to have a message or something, then that's where it would be. And let's open this. So here we go. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so as you guys probably already know, everything that you purchase from Louis Vuitton comes nicely in this little bag, which you can use to store your bags and luggage. So this one is also coming in this little bag, which I appreciate because I like to keep some of my bags in this one to keep them, protected. All right, so let's see. OMG, oh my God, look at this beautiful thing. You guys, what do you guys think about this? Just look at it. Ooh, let's do a full 360 view of this. It looks amazing. I just love it. Even though this is a gift for my husband, but I think I'm gonna steal this from him. It just looks so beautiful. Right? If you guys like this, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So now let me show you. Let's open it and see how it is. This is for the carry-on size, by the way, guys. So this is the front pocket, which is honestly one of the big reasons why I wanted to get this particular model, because here, can you see? Yes. So this is, I'm gonna open this in a little bit, but I wanna first show you the inside here, that there's a little storage compartment here, maybe for your phone and things, and then this one for your laptop. So there's enough space here in the front for you guys to be able to put your iPad, your tablet, your laptop. And let me actually show you, because I would like to see how my laptop will fit in there. All right guys, so I just want to show you, this is my laptop, right? Just so you guys can see how much it can fit. So this is the compartment for the laptop. So it fits really nicely inside here, as you can see, which is great. And I still have room here in this pocket, as well as here for my phone or my other accessories that I want to put, and also right here as well. So there's ample space and room for your storage here in the front, which I really, really like. All right guys, let's look at this packet here and see what came in it. So the first thing is this tag that you can get hot stamped. You can get your initials on it. So take it to any Louis Vuitton store. It's complimentary. They can put your initials whatever else you need on it. And since I ordered this from online, obviously I haven't had a chance to go to an actual store to get this done. But you can do that, and I think that's a cool option. You should definitely get those initialed. I know I'm going to. So this one is a little lock, I believe. Yep. So it is TSA approved. It does have a Louis Vuitton logo here. And this one is to basically lock the front pocket here. Okay, so it's looks really nice. I really like that. And you could just lock it here so that all your personal stuff in here is kind of protected. And then this right here is just a booklet, instruction booklet. So it tells you how you can configure the lock and how you can reset it and set your own code. So guys, now that you can see that how much storage you have, you let me know what you think about the size, but I think it's perfect for a carry-on size. The amount of stuff that we need to travel with, I think it's great. And it also is very ultra light. That's another thing I want to mention. And when I was looking to purchase this, I looked on YouTube and I did not see a single video from anyone kind of showing you what this looks like. So I really hope that this video has been helpful. And now let me show you one more thing. But before that, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that we can show this video to more people. But I want to just show you that it is very nice. It's pretty smooth. So I was a little bit on carpet, but yes, there you go. Alright guys, so now I want to just quickly read you the description from the Louis Vuitton website directly, the product details. They talk about like how it does have good amount of capacity, which I think they do. I like the fact that it's extra slim handle, which I showed you. It is ultra lightweight. It does have easy access in the front pocket here, compartment for your laptop, phone, tablet, perfect for business travel. I couldn't agree more. And also I really like the fact that they give you the extra lock here for the front compartment. And I also like at the end right here for the main one, you have the combination TSA one. We talked about everything else. Oh, and the name tag I already showed you that you can get your hot stamping done. So let me know if you have any questions. Oh, and then you may be wondering, how much does it cost, right? So all the product descriptions, the exact model, everything will be in the video description. This one cost us $3,400 at the time of filming this. But if you have any questions, anything else that you would like to know, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer that. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.